A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a shocking turn of events, the White House has confirmed that Kilmar Ábrego García, a Salvadoran national wrongfully deported from the United States, will never live in the U.S. again. This statement has ignited a firestorm of debate surrounding immigration policies and the treatment of individuals accused of gang affiliations. Mr. Ábrego García was deported from Maryland after being accused of being a member of the notorious MS-13 gang, an allegation his lawyer vehemently denies. The deportation has raised significant questions about the legal processes surrounding immigration and the rights of individuals facing such accusations. A judge had previously ordered the Trump administration to facilitate Mr. Ábrego García's return to the U.S., citing a breach of a 2019 court order that granted him legal protection against deportation. However, El Salvador's President Nayib Bukele stated that he did not possess the authority to return Mr. Ábrego García to the United States, complicating the situation further. During a press briefing, White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt maintained that Mr. Ábrego García is indeed a gang member and accused him of domestic violence. She referenced records indicating that his U.S. citizen wife had filed a protective order against him, claiming he had physically assaulted her. This assertion has been met with strong pushback from Mr. Ábrego García's family, who argue that he has never been involved with MS-13 and that the domestic violence claims were resolved privately through family counseling. In a poignant statement, Mr. Ábrego García's wife, Jennifer Vázquez Surro, explained that the protective order was filed out of caution and emphasized that their family had worked through their issues. The political ramifications of this case have been profound, as it unfolds amidst an escalating confrontation between the Trump administration and the judiciary over immigration policies. A Maryland judge has expressed frustration over the lack of updates on Mr. Ábrego García's situation, demanding daily reports on efforts to bring him back. Meanwhile, the White House has remained steadfast in its stance, asserting that if Mr. Ábrego García were to return to the U.S., he would be deported immediately. This situation has gained further attention due to the tragic murder of Rachel Morin, a Maryland woman allegedly killed by an illegal immigrant from El Salvador. The victim's mother, Patty Morin, spoke at a press briefing, highlighting the need for stronger border protections. In a stark contrast, Maryland Senator Chris Van Hollen attempted to visit Mr. Ábrego García in El Salvador, but was denied access, prompting him to call for his release. The senator condemned the actions of the Trump administration, arguing that Mr. Ábrego García is charged with no crime, convicted of no crime, and who was illegally abducted from the United States. This statement was met with a swift rebuttal from the White House, which criticized Van Hollen for not reaching out to the Morin family after their loss. The political climate surrounding this case is further complicated by the ongoing tensions between the U.S. and El Salvador, as both countries grapple with the implications of immigration law and enforcement. The situation raises critical questions about the balance between national security and individual rights, as well as the responsibilities of governments to uphold the law. As the case continues to unfold, it serves as a potent reminder of the complexities and challenges inherent in immigration policy and the legal system. The Trump administration's firm stance on Mr. Ábrego García's deportation highlights the administration's broader approach to immigration, which has been characterized by strict enforcement and a zero-tolerance policy towards illegal immigration. Critics argue that such policies often lead to unjust outcomes, particularly for individuals who may be wrongfully accused or who have not been given a fair chance to defend themselves. As the legal battle continues, the implications of this case will likely resonate far beyond the individuals directly involved, influencing the national conversation surrounding immigration and justice in America. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.